Hello everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Kitaholic Kits. This is my first layout using the September 2019 kits, which is based around the Pink Paisley, Indigo, and Ivy collection. And so I'm using one of the exclusive cut files, this butterfly here, and I cut out the outline as well as the back, or I created my own backing so that I could just easily back each one of these butterflies. The design team was challenged not to use an entire 12 by 12 sheet of pattern paper, so what I did, and I did this accidentally off camera, I thought I was recording, but apparently not so much. But anyhow, I used that butterfly paper and then that other paper, it looks like linen, and I kind of cut some diagonal stripes out of the butterfly paper and then filled them in with that linen kind of paper. I did sew on it using my sewing machine along those seams. Now, being said, I love the way this layout turns out. I think it's really pretty. However, I do wish that I had switched the butterfly and the linen paper, made the linen kind of one the bigger portion and the butterflies at the top and bottom, just because it makes everything else kind of hard to see, because everything is pretty like pastel, and so it blends together a little bit. But I don't do that. Instead I'm doing this. So I put those butterflies down and they were not sticking out enough for me, so I went into the embellishment kit and got the pack of florals that were in there. And I picked out all of the ones that were only the gold foiling. And those are from the Pink Fresh Studio Just a Little Lovely collection. And so I just put the gold foil around the butterflies. It helps differentiate it a little bit, and it's a lot better in person than it is on camera. Unfortunately, like the lights and everything hit the gold foiling wrong, so you can't really see it as well. But yeah. So I have this picture of my puppy, and she's just so beautiful. So the title is going to be Beautiful Girl. I used the letters that came in, I believe, did they come in the main kit or the pocket? I don't remember. But to spell out girl, and then I used the die cut that says beautiful. I did create a cluster up in that upper right hand corner using a couple of tags that came out of the die cut or the ephemera pack, which is pink. Oh, it's also Pink Paisley, the Indigo and Ivy collection. So I was sitting there thinking, because I didn't like the way that the butterflies were kind of blending into the background, so I went into my stash and I got some white tulle, and now I'm going to kind of bunch it up and staple it onto this background paper, and it's going to create kind of a little bit of dimension and interest behind the butterflies, and it helps to differentiate, I guess, between the two patterns. So if I had to do it over, besides switching those papers around, I would probably use some craft cardstock and cut kind of a little outline to go behind the butterflies, just for a little added, you know, color to separate without taking away from the butterflies. But again, it's done and I'm happy with it. So I have that tool down, and I just went and I plugged in my glue gun, because I'm going to have to hot glue my butterfly cut file down to that tool. So while I am waiting, I'm going to try to reassemble my layout here. So I backed my photo with 2 of the 4x6 papers that come in the pocket kit. One of them is just a pink pattern, and then the other one is it's like a white cardstock with gold foil dots on it. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I just yawned there. So just working on adhering everything down, getting my title. Here I'm going to put down the butterflies with my hot glue gun. And this cordless hot glue gun is like the most amazing thing I've ever had. I'm so excited that I bought it. But I highly recommend them if you are looking for a new hot glue gun. Get one that's cordless. Basically, you plug this one in, it heats up, and then you unplug it to use it. So, yeah. Anyhow, I popped up the title on some fun foam because the photo is also popped up. And then I'm just putting down these letters. I thought they were adhesive backed, but I don't think they actually are. If anybody finds out that they are adhesive back, let me know, because I tried to peel the backing off and it wouldn't come off. So, but I really love that font, and I love how big those letters are. This kit is really beautiful. There's a nice mix of pinks, and then there's also blues. So depending on if you have girls or boys to scrap, it really lends to either one. And my next video I have coming out for Kitaholic Kits, you will see a completely different layout with more of a boy theme. So just gluing everything down, and then that's pretty much going to be my layout. I think I add some of the gold glitter hearts that come in the kit too. But yeah, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, head on over and join the Kitaholic Kits community group. Even if you're not a subscriber, you can join there, and then you get updates on when the kits are going to be released and everything. And also, don't forget to head on over to the shop. She has the new Cocoa Vanilla line for pre-order, as well as some other awesome goodies that you can purchase from the shop. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!